Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasmi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baru kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasmi. Ka joint platform jangka Central Trade Union kala penjalan ya ka jingeki pait ba kabalabu ban pelong ha ka arpho terik benai besan arhajar arpusan. Ya ka jingeki on penjalan syaka khandai terik nyo arhajar arpusan ha ka juk kapor na kalyang jangka joint platform jangki Central Trade Union kila ai jingkon ban pelong ya ki jingeki persha ha ka arpusan terik benai besan arhajar arpusan. Halor kane ka rai ka BSN LEU ka khot ikiseng bhalang jong ki circle bad ki district ban yasno tilang ya ki jingeki persha ha ka por shiteng sngi halor kini ki jingdawa harum ka jing persha ya ki south li ki antre kam ki ba persha ya ki nongtre bad ki ba kershan ya ki company ka jing penbet mardor ya ka jing pen kala ya ka bai bela ha ka BSNL ka jing penbet ya ka jing e ka baklang jong ka jing sakun ka jing penmi ya ka jing shakri 4G ka babha da ka BSNL ka jing persha ya ka VRS ka baar ka jing dawa ban bisharbnya ya ka jing penbet thamai bar ka jing ai jing bet ya ki kam ki babyang ha ki nongtrei bomdei ki nong sinshar ka jing persha ya ka jing pen kala khlem jingmut ya ki kam jong ka BSNL ka jing pen trei kam ya ka policy pen kiu kadan bathamai na ka benta ki bomdei ki nong penyan pendap mardor ya ki pra hajar khandai spa andrew teli ki kam bomdei ki nong penyat ki balan ka jing pen trei kam ya ka minimum wage EPF but ESI na ka benta ki nong trei contract yathu upi abhimanyu GS
आवाज दो हम एक हैं आवाज दो हम एक हैं हमारी मांगे पूरी करो हमारी मांगे पूरी करो हमारा तीसरा वेज रिवीजन लेके धंधाबाजी नहीं चलेगा तीसरा वेज रिवीजन लेके धंधाबाजी नहीं चलेगा BSNL को 4G 5G जल्दी लागू करो BSNL में 4G 5G सर्विस जल्दी लागू करो इंकलाब जिंदाबाद 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 आवाज दो हम एक हैं आवाज दो हम एक हैं आवाज दो आवाज दो थैंक यू
BSNL and other departments. Today it was a general strike for all the associations. But due to the present situation, we have deferred it to 9th of July. But as today it was called, so we are holding a demonstration in all India basis. For that, demands of various organizations along with BSNL, it is there. So we are mainly fighting for workers' rights, that we should get our wage revision which is pending since 2017. We are supposed to get it in 2017, but till date, now 27 is coming over, 26 is coming, but Government of India plus BSNL management, they are calling for meetings only, meetings after meetings, but no decision is taken yet. Number two, Government of India is trying to bring some new laws in the parliament which will curtail the rights of workers to hold demonstration or strike, which is a universal right, so to say. But Government of India should not do like this. That's why we are going for this dharna. Third is, we are supposed to provide 4G and 5G services. Now, private parties are allowed to acquire their equipment from China and other foreign countries, but they are suggesting us that we should use the indigenous equipment only. And for that, our workers are ready 100% to give 4G and 5G services, but management is yet to procure all the equipment and start the services. So that's why we are suffering. We workers are suffering. People of India are suffering because private parties, they are charging higher rates. People are bound to pay because they are not getting this BSNL 4G 5G services. Otherwise, even 2G service also it is best, I should say, in India. That's why we are having demonstration today, and 9 July we are having general strike. And BSNL EU with other organization will join this week. Thank you.
What is your good name?
I am Satyajit Dev.
You holding which post?
I am a pensioner, but I support them. Our organization name is AIBDPA, All India BSNL BOT Pensioners Association.